how to cancel your Designrr subscription. So here on the official website, first you want to log in, so just click on login, and you have to enter your email address as well as your password. You can also reset them if you don't know them. Now, how can we cancel our subscription on Designrr.io? If you want to cancel it, it's going to look like this. So you got to log into your account like I showed you, and you will navigate to account settings. Once you have been logged in, click on your profile picture or account name in the top right corner of your dashboard. From the drop-down menu, you want to select account settings or billing. Then access the billing or subscription settings. In the settings, you want to find billing or subscription, a section where your subscription details are listed. Cancel your subscription, look for an option to cancel subscription or stop auto renewal. Then you want to follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation request and check for confirmation. After canceling, you should receive a confirmation email that your subscription has been canceled. Ensure you keep this for your records. If you have or face any issues, you can also contact Designrr support. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.